strengthening for the kidneys. Kidneys are vital urinary organs that regulate fluid and electrolyte balance and remove waste from the body. This strengthening complements, not replaces, your doctor's prescribed treatment and will greatly contribute to it. Separating energy from kidney parts. Cortex, medulla, papilla, pelvis, ureters, arteries, veins, capsule, fat, and hilum. We erase all weaknesses, combining them to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. We balance, center, and stabilize all parts, strengthening them in the process. We boost physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, flexibility to 100% infinitely. Let's clear away the misconceptions and false interpretations you have about your current kidney condition. We'll remove influences from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, society, family, and yourself. We'll eliminate the cumulative effect of living with weak kidneys and daily habits that continually weaken them. Let's erase memories of past lives where you may have died from kidney-related issues or traumas. We're clearing the draining energy from ancestors who suffered or were limited by kidney problems. We'll remove any ancestral curses, fears, or predispositions that might be weakening your kidneys. We're erasing all of this, yours or not, past and present, from you, ancestors, and descendants completely. Let's strengthen the renal cortex and nephrons, enhancing their ability to filter blood and produce urine. Now we'll reinforce the renal medulla and pyramids, improving urine concentration and electrolyte balance. We're strengthening the renal papilla and pelvis to efficiently collect urine from the nephrons. Let's fortify the ureters, connecting kidneys to bladder to transport urine through peristaltic movements. We're enhancing the rhythmic contractions in ureter walls for optimal functioning. Finally, we strengthen renal arteries and veins, boosting blood supply and kidney function. Let's strengthen the renal artery to carry unfiltered blood to the kidney and the renal vein to transport filtered processed blood away. We'll reinforce the renal capsule to protect and maintain both the kidney's shape and structure. We'll also strengthen the perirenal fat tissue to provide extra protection and support to the kidneys. We'll fortify the renal pedicle to allow arteries, veins, and ureters to enter and exit smoothly. Strong blood vessels to enter the kidney and ureters to exit it. We connect all these components to the central nervous system bidirectionally, top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, for infinite time. Let's enhance the kidney's ability to filter blood. We filter blood, removing waste and excess fluids from the body. We eliminate bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, and their waste from the urinary tract and bloodstream. We send them to the lymphatic system, strengthening its channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and nodes. Fully strong with infinite potential 100% of the time for infinite time. We break down kidney stones, allowing them to pass freely through the urinary tract. We boost hydration and metabolism to prevent stone formation. We reduce excess protein filtration in urine, repair and strengthen glomeruli for optimal function. We decrease histamine and increase antihistamine in glomeruli to reduce inflammation. We strengthen and reduce cysts effectively. The kidneys separate from these cysts, breaking down into cells for free movement to be eliminated through the body's black holes and wormholes. Will boost regeneration and reduce degeneration in blood vessels and kidneys, restoring their filtering capacity to 100% infinite potential 100% of the time for infinite time. We're erasing trauma memories in the kidneys from this life, past lives, you, ancestors, and descendants that are triggering current health issues. We erase to zero minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Will decrease histamine and increase antihistamine in interstitial tissue, strongly reducing inflammation and eliminating infections and drug reactions, strongly maintaining good hydration, enabling water to effectively flush toxins and waste from the body. Through urine, strong to eat well, maintain it, and strong to cut out processed foods, added salts and sugars that harm your kidneys, strong to keep a healthy weight, strong to take charge of your health, strong to exercise regularly, to boost blood flow and maintain a healthy weight, strong to quit tobacco and alcohol so your kidneys work optimally. Let's remove all resistance to improve. Advance, let go, free, protect, and forget all emotions stuck in the kidneys, all that have weakened them over time. We eliminate kidney devaluation. We remove all you couldn't separate and cleanse, all you couldn't release, what hurts, what causes suffering, what confuses, that which is not understood. Strongly erase, eliminate, and release through the kidneys at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's make you strong to feel the same, different, not different, perception, no perception, change, no change, strong for all positive, not positive, negative, not negative, neutral. Will strengthen internal dynamics, internal limits, external limits, and vertices of all geometries we work on for you and your kidneys at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's erase everything that prevents, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks inflammation reduction, detoxification, and regeneration. We eliminate it to zero minus infinity, 100%. 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How are you feeling? The same or different? For best results, listen multiple times to strengthen your kidneys continuously.